Okay, so we are done with our hair. Oh, okay, turn around. I've not added anything to it. I'm gonna put some shea butter or something in our hair, but so far this is what it looks like.
So hello guys, good morning. I'm gonna show y'all my starter vlog routine and what I've been doing for the past week. Usually I go to bed with this silk scarf. Sometimes it'd be falling off, but I don't really care because I have a satin pillowcase, so it's like I don't really care. Then I wake up and I take it off, obviously. Sometimes I leave it on, but I take it off and I kind of just like shake it and just make sure it's laying normally. And then immediately what I do is I spray it with a lot of water. Like I use a lot of water. I go like, and I make sure to lift up so I can get like in my roots and stuff. But yeah, I spray a lot of water. I've already done that, but yeah, I spray a lot of water. And that's really it. But then like, if I'm at home, I've been going to school, so obviously I have my hair out. I make sure not to put it in ponytails because I don't want to stretch my hair out. But when I'm not at school, I keep it in a scarf because I'd be like playing in my hair. I'd be going like this. So I keep it in a scarf so I don't do that. And plus it's comfy. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've been doing. But this is my hair. It hasn't even been a week. It's been like 5 days. That's it. Bye. Bye.